rounds. Tell me you got a gig going right now, 12.
I ain't quite running nothing right now. Kind of chilling. About $4 grand. A little bit of swing. Chilling. All right, man. Be good, homie. You know who it is up north. Got down. Yeah, I was over there talking to the cornfield in Georgia and Texas a minute ago. I spun over, I heard y'all talking to BBI.
I can hear his backscatter.
I was going to Georgia, and he talking short stuff. I got a long-distance cruise missile.
You got 3 dBs of his backscatter right now.
I can ride my bike down there to your house, man. What are you talking about?
And now he's having to talk local, so there you go.
Now we got different conditions. He's the man. I'm just trying to get a crumb. Oh, to you 12 in the valley. I know that thing is getting done. I heard you talking about it. Prime Minister, Bill Gates County. Got down.
Silverback,
Hey, 12. Tell him to pump it up.
Takes a little while. I got a little issue with my stuff right here today. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, my reflect at the radio is up.
No, 900. I'll put the weight right back to you, brother.
I'll find it in a minute. I ain't gonna worry about it. Catch you later, 12 in the valley. Your homie up north is gone.
Now, you and I both know that duck booger got enough fire in the wire to come along and bump me on top of the head like a freaking nun at a Catholic church with a ruler. But since I got the opportunity, I'm just going to do it one time. Tell him I said hi, BBI got down.
Prime Minister walking this Apache down the middle of the street is 10-7.
got all the big dogs out today.
That's the truth. Observe it.
We got the big dogs. Let the shady cat in the dog.
I said, 12, I think Prime's taking it easy on me, 410. I said, I think Prime's just taking it easy on me, 410. Hey, the gatekeeper of the corner, back out. Don't run from it. Don't run from it. Hey, 12, 121. You guys want to go a couple rounds? I got a gate going. Says, man, I got 777 up in my ear. I got a 777 up in my ear, and this is a test, just only a test, and then 12 fire down, cut him clean off. And he failed the test. And I'm guaranteed. this one. I'm just on my driver and I'm talking out the back of the antenna. Oh, 101, I heard you up in there before 121 fired down and then 12 keyed down. I said, man, let me guess. He's got all the excuses going on. All the neighbors got the air conditionings going on. He's huffing and puffing and wheezing and whining and carrying on. Oh, yeah. Hey, 12, quit being mean to the guy like that. This is not fair. I gotta tell you, 12, this is 27.025, my man. He who's got the most watts rules and becomes king. Either that or he who's got the biggest antenna with the most watts rules and is king. And you're right, there ain't no testing on 27.025, and there ain't no loafing. There ain't no sitting on the bleachers being a bleacher creature. You gotta show up and be ready to play. Hey, 12, your friend up here in Idaho looking back at you. He dresses like a 1980s pimp. Hey, 121 is because 12 dresses like a 1980s pimp. Now, you boys want to dance all night with each other's hands on each other's asses, or you want to actually have a little bit of a fight? BBI being nosy. You gotta watch out, 121. I gotta tell you, brother. Get 12 fired down. Says, man, his lips are on the floor. Don't tell him his lips are down on the floor, 410. At 12, he says, 121 fired down. He says, he can't win them all. 12 fired down. Says, he can't win most. Now, I don't know, 12, did you get out of the hospital? 121 wants to know if you got out of the hospital and you just got yourself an energy drink. He's trying to understand because, according to him, he gave you a good whooping the other day, and now you're giving a whooping back. You're beating each other with sticks down there in L.A., 410? Hey, 121, 12 says you beat him so bad he doesn't remember it even happening. He said you beat him so bad and licked him so good that he's got a lapse of memory, doesn't even remember it happening. Hey, 121, just thought you ought to know. 12, BBI, back out. You said you got local people that got a gate and they remember it, they were there on that Tuesday and they got their phones out and they were recording it and it's on the interboob. Okay, all right. Well, hey, I just got the referee shirt on. I got the rape whistle hanging around my neck. I'm just sitting here chilling. I'm just talking to my radio, and I don't want to get caught in the middle of the local politics. I'm just talking in my radio. Well, did he whoop you that bad that you forgot when it happened, 410? driver or not because he did not key. I don't know. Hey, 121, 12 wants to know if you want to have a driver-on-driver fight. You said pull it like a bumblebee, sting like a bee. I got you. You don't want to stick your face out there in the middle of the road if 12's got Mother Nature. I don't know if 12 keyed or not. I don't know if he was on his driver when you were keyed down. I didn't hear him. All I heard was you. You guys are kind of fighting back and forth, but just kind of poking sharp sticks at each other's butts. It's kind of cute. Ain't no straight key down, let's go bar brawl going on yet. I'm just sitting here watching, listening, with the gate rolling. BBI got down. Man, you guys are cute. A hairy little short mess is all that I got going on. 12 fire down, 121 don't. 121 fire down, 12 don't. I don't know. Guys, I got other stuff I gotta go get done this evening. I appreciate both you gentlemen. 12, it's good to hear from you as always, my brother. Yeah, I gotta come back down that way here in a couple months. I was gonna look you up, maybe go get some lunch with you and hang out for a hot minute. So, I'll keep you in the loop, I'll give you a call. 121's a pleasure as always, my man. Have fun playing. I'm gonna run out of here and go do other things. 12, around the Big Valley, sitting on top of the hill in Porn Valley. 121 down there in the Big Valley on the bottom side of the bowl. Your friend up here in the corner.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
I think I'm gonna walk over, I'm gonna hit all the cooldown switches on this station, which is a two-hole switches, then auto timers kick in, and then everything shuts off when it's ready. So, on that note, gentlemen, my name is BBI, and I am 10712. 121, you gentlemen be good. 101 and Mr. 245. I'll see you guys. I am 107. Click. I'm going to walk away on this note. I said I'm going to walk away on this note. 111.